Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can bring your archived post back on your Instagram profile. Alright guys, here I have my Instagram opened on my phone, and the first thing you have to do is clicking on our profile button right here. Then you can click on this button on the top right corner of your screen, and then there will be some options for you. And since we want to bring back the archived post, we can click on archive right here, and this is my stories archive. And if you want to select the post, you just need to click on this option, then just select post archive since we want to bring back the archived post. Okay, and this is my archived post, and just select the post that you want to bring back to your Instagram profile. And for me, I'm just going to select this one, and then you can click on this three dots button. Then after that, you can click on show on profile right here. Then click on show on profile again. Okay, and now the post has been restored to our profile, and we can check it. Wait guys. Okay, and this is the post that I have just restored on my profile, and that's how we can bring back our archived post on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.